Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush, and in our previous video we talked about one of the basic command, that is ls command, which means list contents. Okay, so if you have not watched that particular video, so please go and watch, because it is also basic command. Okay, so it will be useful for you. So now today in this video what we are going to learn, so basically we are going to learn about one of the more basic command, that is cd command, which means the change directory. Okay, cd stands for change directory command. So what we will do today, we will learn about how we can change our directory from one to another. Okay, so I have started my Ubuntu machine here. You can also do it, like we have created a video of installing Ubuntu in VirtualBox, so you can do it also. Okay, now let me enter my password. It will take about 30 seconds of time, I think. Yeah, okay, now it's open up. Now what we have to do, we will open the terminal. As in the previous video I told you about, like you can open from here so applications also, or you can just hit the one shortcut, that is Control Alt and T. Okay, it will show up your uh, terminal. Now what I have to do, I have to just increase the font size for you guys. It should be visible. I think, yeah, it's okay, it's visible, it should be. And in the next video in window, what I will do, I will just open this file manager for your reference to show you how the things are working. Okay, now this is our home directory. Here you can see home. Okay, and right now we are also in the terminal, we are on the home directory. What we will do, we will do this just ls. Okay, so here you can see we are getting different files, like different directory, that is desktop, downloads, pictures, snap, videos, documents, and so on. Okay, so now today in this video what we are going to learn about the cd command. Okay, cd, what it basically means. Cd just stands for change directory. What it will do, it will just change your directory. Okay, now our current directory is what, it is our home. Okay, we are at home, we want to go on the desktop. Okay, how we will do it? So there are the two ways in which we can perform this action. Like first one is that that is basically a concept of Linux, so that's why I'm telling you. That is of, I think one of these is absolute path name, and the second is relative path names. Okay, so first we will talk about the absolute path name. In absolute path names, what we do, we just provide the whole path. Okay, wait a minute, I will just provide the desktop path. Okay, I want to go move to into the desktop directory. What I will do, cd desktop, this is basically what absolute path names. Okay, so I will just hit enter, and now you can see I am in the desktop. Now what I will do, I will do ls. Okay, so here you can see the file which this is also one directory in which we had created in the last video. Okay, so this is the files of the desktop directory. Okay, so this is the like one of the way in which we can do it, like we call it as the absolute path names. And now the next is relative path. Now what is this? So basically relative path names works for a particular notation, that is dot, then, or you can say double dot. Okay, so what I have to do now, I have to go back. Now I am in the desktop, I have to go back. Okay, like from, let me cancel it. Like from here you can see I'm in the tag. Right now we are here at the test. Okay, in the desktop directory. Now what I have to go, I have to go back in the where, in the home directory. So for this what I will do, I will just do cd dot dot, again back. We are back. Okay, we are in this particular window, or we are this in this particular window, you can say, like in the home directory. Now there is also one more command which we will learn in this video, like that is pwd. What it does, it just shows you the present working directory. So our present working directory is home/ayush. Why ayush? Because ayush is one of the user of this particular OS, that's why it's showing ayush. Like whenever you will create multiple users, then you will get your own particular home directory in which you will create your separate files and folders or anything which you want to create. Okay, that's why it's showing home ayush. Now what I will do, I will move into the documents directory. Okay, documents. Okay, now I am here, documents. So now what I will do, I will just do pwd. So here you can see we are getting again the same present working directory cd, like home ayush documents. Okay, I hope you got the idea about how pwd is working, how documents is working. Now what I have to do, I have to just go back one more directory back, one directory by dot dot. Okay, we are back. Now I will do pwd again. We are at the home and ayush, we are at the home directory. Now we will just hit clear button, and here what we will do, we will create a one structure. Here you can see ls command is one of the folder, and I will open up this folder and I will try to create again new folder, that is test2. Okay, now what we will do, we have to come directly in the ls command folder. So how we can do it, first of all we will do ls. Okay, we got the list of all the directories which are present in the home directory. Now where I have to go, I have to go in the documents directory. So I will do cd documents. I am just entering, like after typing the duc, and then if you will hit tab, then automatically it will like come up like this documents. Okay, then after documents, where we have to go, like now I am in documents. Now I will do ls. We are on the this documents directory, and here is the directory, that is ls command. Now what I have to do, ls command. Okay, now where we are in the documents/ls command. Now what I will do, I will do ls. This is, we are in the test2, not in the test2, like this is the content of this particular directory, like ls command. Now I will do, I will again go back and go into the test2. Okay, let me increase that width so it should be clear to you. Okay, now what I will do, I will just hit pwd. pwd means present working directory. So my present working directory is home ayush documents ls command and the test2. Okay, now what we will do, we will go back one by one. cd dot dot, we are one directory back, cd dot dot, again one directory back, cd dot dot, again one directory back. Now we are where we are in the home directory. Now what I will do, I will just give the whole path. Okay, documents slash ls command slash test. In this way you can also go in the like your final destination directory, like providing the whole path in a single string. Okay, now what I will do, pwd. So here you can see the whole path, like this is same as this one, like when we went to that directly like one by one. Okay, when we were doing one by one, then we were all getting these results, and also when we are doing like in a single string, then also we are getting the same result. I hope you got the idea about how this cd change direct working. Okay, let me clear this. Now there is also one more shortcut to go directly in the home directory, that is cd this tilde. It will directly go into the home directory, that is ls. Okay, or when we will do pwd, you will get that particular window. Okay, so I hope you got this, how the things are working. And this is all about the cd, like change directory command. Okay, cd stands for change directory. Okay, I hope it is clear now. So we will meet in the next video with like we will create some folders and files and all these things we will talk about in the next video. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. So we'll meet in next one. Okay, thank you for watching.